I am Dr. Arasaya, Assistant Professor, Government First State College, Vannavali, Davangere University. Here I am going to present a topic on analytical geometry of 3 dimensions, that is coplanarity of 2 lines. First we know the conditions for coplanarity of 2 lines and the equation of coplanar plane. So 2 lines are said to be coplanar if they lies on the same plane. So let the equations of the lines be x minus x1 by L1 is equal to y minus y1 by m1 is equal to z minus z1 by n1, and second equation x minus x2 by L2 is equal to y minus y2 by m2 is equal to z minus z2 by n2. Here the points x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2 are any points on the lines L1 with the direction ratios L1 m1 n1 and L2 with the direction ratios L2 m2 n2 respectively. Then the condition for coplanarity of lines is given by determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, L1 m1 n1, L2 m2 n2. That determinant is equal to 0. Then equation of the plane containing the line is given by determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, L1 m1 n1, L2 m2 n2, which is equal to 0. By using these two equations, we verify the condition of coplanarity and the equation of the coplanar plane. First, let us solve some examples on this coplanarity of lines. Show that the lines x minus 1 by 1 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 1, and x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 4 by 1 is equal to z minus 6 by 3 are coplanar, and find their points of intersection. Find also the equation of the plane containing them. Here first we verify the condition for coplanarity. For that we write the values of x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2, L1 m1 n1 and L2 m2 n2 by using the given equations. Then we consider the condition left hand side, that is determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, L1 m1 n1, third row L2 m2 n2. By substituting the values of all these we get 0. Hence the lines are coplanar. Next we find point of intersection and equation of plane containing the lines. So first equation of the plane containing the lines is given by determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, L1 m1 n1, third row L2 m2 n2. By substituting the values we get the equation 4x plus y minus 3z plus 6 is equal to 0, which is the equation of plane containing the lines. Finally we find the point of intersection of 2 lines. For that, any point on the line first is x is equal to lambda plus 1, y is equal to minus 1 minus lambda, z is equal to 3 plus lambda. If this lies on the line L2, we have to replace x by lambda, x1 by lambda plus 1, y1 by minus 1 minus lambda, and z1 by 3 plus lambda. So by considering any two we get lambda is equal to minus 3. Therefore the point of intersection is minus 2 comma 2 comma 0. Substituting the value of lambda in x, y, z, we get the point of intersection is minus 2 comma 2 comma 0. Let us see one more problem. Show that the lines x minus 9 by 2 is equal to y plus 4 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 5 by 1, and 6x plus 4y minus 5z minus 4 is equal to 0 is equal to x minus 5y plus 2z minus 12 are coplanar. Also find the point of intersection and the equation of the plane containing them. Solution: to show that the lines are coplanar, we shall show that the lines intersect. Any point on the line x minus 9 by 2 is equal to y plus 4 by minus 1, z minus 5 by 1 is x is equal to 2 lambda plus 9, y is equal to minus lambda minus 4, z is equal to lambda plus 5. If this point lies on the line 6x plus 4y minus 5z minus 4 is equal to 0 is equal to x minus 5y plus 2z minus 12, then we have to replace x, y, z, that is x 6 times 2 lambda plus 9 plus 4 times minus lambda minus 4 minus 5 times lambda plus 5 minus 4 is equal to 0, and solving this we get lambda is equal to minus 3. Lambda is equal to minus 3. Thus, the lines intersect if the values of lambda exist. So, the point of intersection exists. Therefore, the lines intersect and hence they are coplanar. The point of intersection is 3, minus 1, 2. The equation of the plane containing the second line is given as 6x plus 4y minus 4z minus 5z minus 4 plus some constant mu into x minus 5y plus 2z minus 12. So, this is written by using the given equations. That implies on grouping we get 6 plus mu x plus 4 minus 5 mu y plus 2 mu minus 5 z minus 4 minus 12 mu is equal to 0. If this plane contains the first line, in particular the point on the line 9 minus 4 minus 4 5 of first line, then we have here we have to replace x by 9, y by minus 4 and z by 5, so that we get mu is equal to minus 1 by 3. Substituting these values here, we get the equation of plane is x plus y minus z is equal to 0. Similarly, we can solve one more problem, that is show that the lines 3x minus y minus z minus 16 is equal to 0 is equal to 2x minus 3y minus 2z minus 19 and 2x plus 4y minus plus 4z plus z plus 12 is equal to 0 is equal to x minus 2y minus z minus 13 are coplanar. Here the equation of lines are in non-symmetrical form. Find the point of intersection and the equation of the plane containing them. Again, to show that the lines are coplanar, we shall show that the lines intersect by finding their point of intersection. If there exists point of intersection, then the lines intersect. So, first we find the point of intersection. For that, x1, y1, z1 be any point, be the point of intersection of the lines. Then we have, so this point satisfies the equation first, that is 3x minus y minus z minus 16 is equal to 0. Replace x, y, z by x1, y1, z1. That is equation number 1. Again, it satisfies the equation 2, 3 and 4. Solving the equations 1, 2, 3 and 4 to get the values of x1, y1, z1. So, we solve this by elimination method by considering equation 1, 2, we multiply 2 to 1, 2 into 1 minus subtract second equation. We get the equation number 5. Again, by adding 3 and 4, equations 3 and 4, we get the equation 6, and solving these equations 5 and 6, we get the value of x1 is equal to 5 and y1 is equal to minus 7. And by substituting x1, y1 in the number equation 1, we get z1 is equal to 6. Therefore, the point of intersection exists. That is 5 minus 7 comma 6, and hence the lines are coplanar. Next we find the plane containing these lines. For that, we find a point on one of the lines 3x minus y minus z minus 16 is equal to 0 is equal to 2x minus 3y minus 2z minus 19. By taking z is equal to 0, we get 3x minus y minus 16 is equal to 0, 2x minus 3y minus 19 is equal to 0. Solving these equations by using previous methods, that is x by leaving these terms, multiplying minus 1 and minus 19, that is 19, minus of minus 3 into minus 16, that is 48, minus 48 is equal to y by reverse multiplication minus 16 into 2 minus 32 minus of 3 into minus 19 minus of minus plus 57 is equal to some constant 1 by leaving these terms we multiply 3 minus 9 minus of 2 into minus 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2. So that is x is equal to 29 by 7 and y is equal to minus 25 by 7. Here the point of intersection is 29 by 7 comma minus 25 by 7 comma 0. Therefore, the equation of the plane containing the line 2x plus 4y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0 is equal to x minus 2y minus z minus 13 is given by the first equation plus lambda into second equation. This plane contains, again here we have to determine the value of lambda. This plane contains the first line. If every point on that line lies on this plane, in particular the point 29 by 7 minus 25 by 7 comma 0 lies on this plane, then we have, so we replace x, y, z by 29 by 7 minus 25 by 7 and 0 respectively, so that we get lambda is equal to 7 by 2. By substituting lambda here, we get the equation of plane is 11x minus 6y minus 5z minus 67 is equal to 0. Thank you.